Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix not working microphone on the Samsung Galaxy A52s. So if the microphone on your phone is not working, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to try and fix that. So the first thing that we're going to try is cleaning the microphone port with some sort of non-metallic tool. So this is the microphone port right here, this little dot. And what we're going to do is take some sort of brush or something small to just fix and clean the port. So once you've done that, you've gotten all of the dirt out, check if it starts working or if anything has changed. And if it didn't, we can move on to the next step. So what we can also do is test the mic in the voice recorder app. So maybe the problem is in the app you're using and not in the microphone itself. So we can open up the voice recorder app. It's pre-installed on your phone. Let's allow the usage while using the app. Just allow everything. And then we can start recording our audio. So if we just press on this button right here, it's going to start recording the audio. And we can just start talking. Well, it looks like the app is crashing, but you get the point. If you just record a voice note and then play it back and you hear your own voice, that means the microphone is working. So the next thing that we can try doing is putting the phone into safe mode to see if there are any issues with it. And to do that, all we need to do is just go to the control panel on our phone, expand it, click on the power icon on the top right, and then hold on the power off icon and click on the safe mode icon. And that's going to restart your phone in safe mode, where all of the third-party apps on your phone are disabled. So if there's a third-party app that's tampering with your microphone on this phone, it's going to be disabled because of the safe mode, and you can see that that is the issue. And then to exit out of safe mode, all you need to do is just restart the phone again normally, and it's going to go back into its normal state with all of the apps enabled. And the last thing that you can try doing is updating the software. So there might be a new software update which fixes your issue. And to install it, all we need to do is open up the settings again, scroll down to software update, click download and install, and here's going to check if you have a new update available for your phone. If you do, just download it and go through the downloading process. It's pretty straightforward. And once you're done, your phone should restart and you should have the new software update version. That is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope it helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.